Ever tempted to stifle a loud or untimely sneeze? Doctors say it's better just to let it out. A newly released medical journal study tells the unusual case of a 34-year-old British man who actually ruptured the back of his throat. Doctors say the previously healthy man showed up at an emergency room complaining of difficulty swallowing and a popping sensation in his swollen neck. He told nurses the pain began after he pinched his nose and closed his mouth to stop a forceful sneeze. He eventually lost his voice and spent a week in the hospital. Medical experts say sneezes can produce pressurized air that can explode at speeds up to 100 miles an hour.